like, why is everyone speaking and talking and drinking chia seed water? Hold on. Do I have lipstick on my teeth? Hey babies, welcome to Kimberly Worldwide, and today is gonna be all about chia seed water. Yes, I posted a short to my YouTube a little while ago. That short's now outdated, and I showed you guys how I make chia seed water, but I updated the way I make my chia seed water, and I'm gonna show you in this video. Just hold on 1 second, because first of all, disclaimer, I am not a doctor. I'm not a medical professional. I'm not a medical anything. I just need to make that clear, because some of you are like, what, is she, a doctor? Or no, none of that, okay? I am just like you. I saw a video, and lots of videos actually, of people drinking chia water and chia seed water and all this stuff. And I was like, what's up with this? I need to figure out why is everyone drinking this? So I did my research and started drinking the water myself. And here we are 4 months later. Kim, what the heck does chia seed water do? I am going to quote the harvard.edu health website. It can reduce blood pressure, it can lower cholesterol, it supports digestive health, it aids in weight management, and I noticed a lot of the videos I saw were about weight management. It can help reduce inflammation, help control diabetes, protect against chronic diseases, improve anxiety and depression. What doesn't it do? They're very rich in fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, various vitamins, minerals, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and they're all beneficial to your health. I'm going to take you to the kitchen and let me show you how I make my chia seed water. You're going to need chia seeds, warm water, green tea, lemon juice, and honey. So the first thing I do, I add a tablespoon of chia seeds to a glass. I then add a green tea bag. Then I pour on the warm water. After this, I add some honey to taste. And I add some fresh lemon juice. Then I stir the liquid to mix everything, and I let it sit for about 15 minutes before I drink it, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. So now you might be wondering, well, what is your experience with chia seed water? Within the first 2 weeks, I was visiting the bathroom on a regular basis. Before that, before my chia seed water, I have to say, my bathroom visits were not regular at all. And I think it's the fiber, of course, in the chia seeds that really kicked stuff into gear. What I also noticed is that a lot of the bloating, you know, the monthly bloating that us girls go through, it really went away. I wasn't as bloated, and it was just, my body just felt like the way it's supposed to feel. I didn't lose any weight. I wasn't trying to lose any weight, and I wasn't drinking the water to lose weight. So I don't know if that matters, but yeah, I didn't lose any weight. Other than that, I really can't speak on any medical benefits that I've experienced, because I don't have a lot of these things that it's beneficial for, like the different items it mentions, like blood pressure and all that stuff. It's all good so far, and I'm hoping the chia seed is aiding in all that. Let me know what your experience is with chia seeds. Do you have any recipes that you want me to know that I need to try? Sound off below, let me know. And yeah, as I go along in my chia journey, and if anything changes or I come across something major that I need to share, I will be back with an update. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and I will be back again with another video soon.